Let's learn how you can change Snapchat My Eyes Only passcode. So let us start by opening our Snapchat application. Go to camera section and then click on this photo icon, that's memories. And when you open this, you'll just have to go to My Eyes Only here. Then click on options if you see them in bottom lower. As you can see, here will be pop-up with two options: forgot passcode and change passcode. In this tutorial, we will just show you how you can change passcode. So click on it and you have to enter now this passcode you have right now. If you want only to change it, you must remember it. If you don't remember it, just go back and options again and click on forgot passcode. Then you want to enter your account password there and they will reset you. But for now, just click on change passcode and enter your now. Then you need to create a new passcode. For example, I will use same one. And that's it. Now click on understand and continue. Finished and you are done. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.